Hey, little crafters and Labubu lovers, get ready for the most amazing adventure ever. We're about to build a super-duper, fantastically fun playground for our favorite friend Labubu. Grab your glitter, unleash your imagination, and let's make some magic happen. Are you buzzing with excitement? We're going on a crafting journey today, turning simple supplies into a wonderland for Labubu. This isn't just crafting, it's creative play, educational fun, and pure entertainment all rolled into one. Look at all these colorful goodies. We have bright paper, sturdy popsicle sticks, trusty glue, markers, and so many sparkly stickers. Each item is a secret ingredient for our magical playground. Do you have your crafting treasures ready? Say yes if you're set to go. First up, let's make a super comfy swing for Labubu. We'll cut out a perfect little seat from colorful paper. Then, we'll glue our popsicle sticks together to build a strong frame, just like a real playground. This helps us learn about shapes and building. Now for the best part, adding stretchy cords so Labubu can swing high, high, high. Imagine the giggles. Shout swing time with me. Let's get those creative juices flowing. Next, let's create a dazzling slide. We'll fold this paper just right to make a super fast ramp. A little dab of glue will hold it all together, making it sturdy for endless playtime. This is great for our fine motor skills. Then we'll decorate it with the brightest rainbow stripes you've ever seen. Every slide needs a splash of color, right? Get ready to shout slide on in as we imagine Labubu zooming down. Time for more amazing rides. Let's craft a wobbly seesaw using a bottle cap as our base and a paper plank. Labubu will love balancing here. It's all about balance and fun. And for the grand finale, a spinning merry-go-round. We'll use popsicle sticks for spokes and add tiny paper horses. Don't forget the glitter for extra sparkle. This is where creative play truly shines. Now it's your turn to add your unique touch. Grab those stickers, pom-poms, and paper flowers. Decorate your playground with everything that makes you happy. Make it truly special for Labubu. This is where your imagination takes flight. There are no rules, just pure creative joy. What amazing details will you add? Wow, look at our incredible Labubu playground. It's bursting with color and fun, all thanks to your amazing crafting skills. Labubu is having the best time ever, swinging, sliding, and spinning. Which ride was your absolute favorite to make? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome crafts, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Keep crafting, keep playing, and keep smiling.